Yes, 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 Etsy family. I hope you guys are well, mate. I hope you guys are well. Listen, I just launched it, mate. I just launched this community thing. I did say I'm gonna just do it, I'm just gonna do it, Get some forums going, get people talking to each other, helping each other out, mate. I had a lot of requests for a long time saying, look, please, mate, we want somewhere to talk and we want to have some, discussion thing. And, I don't mind that. I like that. I like people talking. So instead of just me kind of just talking, I want you guys to kind of have a place to talk. So yep, it's ready, it's set up, the link is there on the description thing, it's ready to go. So you guys jump on it now because it's literally just opened up like a couple of hours ago. So get on this thing, have a look now. Don't forget though, don't have a go at me yet because I just opened it up. I just started it, like it's basic still, but I'm going to be filling it up over the next few days. Gonna have some good resources, good stuff to help you guys. And like I said, I think it's a fantastic platform to do this. Now I was like debating, and to be honest, I did actually open up a Discord. I created it and everything and it was ready to go. However, I opted to change it to school because I was looking at the school. I was looking at school and it's quite new. But you know what? I liked it. I like it. There's some really cool features that I'm sure you're going to appreciate. But listen, at the end of the day, we're here. We're ready to go, man. We are ready to go. You don't understand how much I'm excited, man. I'm so excited about this thing. These things make me like really feel good, So I'm that kind of guy that I won't just think about it. I just like to do. What's in my head, I'll just do. If I procrastinate, nothing's going to get done. So listen, guys, appreciate it for you guys to come in because I know, I might not always be there, but I'm telling you something. There's some real people in here, and I know there's going to be some real talk. Real talk is what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, have a look. This is the community forums. This is, like I said, it's just literally brand spanking new. At the time of bringing out the video, launch date May the 4th, 2024. Etsy breaking news, man. What's really annoying you lot? Yeah? How much time do you give to researching niches, really, man? Etsy digital products are fabuloso. Do you agree? I'm telling you, man. These discussions are gonna be mad. Anyways, I'm too excited now. I need to chill out, relax, go and have a little cappuccino. No, not a cappuccino, sorry. Little chamomile to calm myself down, my nerves. You know what I mean? I'm a bit too hyper right now. But guys, I'll see you in there, man. I will see you in there. Take care.